In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Having an efficient workflow is essential for streamlining your business operations and making the most of QuickBooks capabilities. By the end of this guide, you'll know just how to set up a workflow that caters to your unique business needs. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Workflow Automations section, which you can find conveniently located on the left panel of your QuickBooks dashboard. It's designed to house all the automation tools you'll need to make your accounting tasks smoother and more automated. Once you're in the right place, head over to the My Workflows tab. This area holds all the magic, showcasing the list of workflows you and your team have previously created. It's a great spot not just to review, but also to manage existing workflows, allowing you to assess what's currently working or not within your existing setup. To add a new workflow, look for the Custom Workflow button situated at the top right of your screen. This is your starting point for creating a brand new workflow perfectly tailored to fit your business processes. When crafting your workflow, your first task is to select the type of record you want the workflow automation to apply to. This step is crucial as it defines the scope and relevance of your custom workflow. Think carefully about which records are most relevant for the automation you have in mind, as this will impact the effectiveness of the workflow. Following your record selection, it's time to determine the action you wish QuickBooks to execute. Here, you'll specify details such as triggering automatic reminders for payments due, generating invoices, or any other automated operation that enhances efficiency. Once you've nailed down the specifics, simply click Next. QuickBooks will then generate a template workflow for you. This template isn't set in stone. It's completely adjustable to better align with your operations. While editing, focus on the details that matter to your business: timing, frequency, action steps, and any specific conditions that should be met. After you've made all your desired changes and confirmed that everything's set up just the way you want it, the last step is to hit Save. And just like that, you've established your new workflow. Setting up workflows may initially seem a bit daunting, but with each one you create, your business processes become more streamlined and efficient. And remember, as your business grows or changes, you can always return to the My Workflows tab to tweak and enhance your workflows, keeping them as dynamic and effective as your business demands. Congratulations on taking this pivotal step towards automating your accounting processes with QuickBooks Online Advanced.